For our next problem, we have a balloon that is being pumped, and the balloon is spherical in shape. Now the rate of change, we have a rate of change here, 4.5 cubic feet per minute. And we are to find the rate of change of the radius when radius is 2 feet. So first, you're going to write our given. We have the rate of change that is equal to 4.5 cubic feet per minute. Now it was not indicated there if the 4.5, the rate of change of which is equal to 4.5 cubic feet per minute is equal to if this is referring to the volume, to the surface area, to the radius, and other things that we might have mislook. But we just look at the unit of the given rate. The rate here is a unit of cubic feet per minute. This means that this is the rate of change of the volume because this one is our volume with respect to time. So this is just dV over dt. What else? The balloon is a sphere. And we are going to find the rate of change of the radius. Now we are going to find the rate of change of the radius. The rate of change of the radius is just dr over dt. So what is this when the radius is 2 feet? It means that we are going to relate the volume and the radius. So how can we do this? Since we have a spherical balloon, we know that the volume of the sphere is just equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. And if we differentiate the volume of the sphere with respect to time, we will have 4/3 pi times 3 r squared. And since we are differentiating with respect to time, don't forget dr over dt. We just cancel this here, the 3. So we have dv over dt is equal to 4 pi r squared dr over dt. Now, since we're told to find the rate of change of the radius with respect to time, it means that we are going to isolate our dr over dt. So let me just write that once again. We have our dv over dt is equal to 4 pi r squared dr over dt. So if we multiply the whole equation with 1 over 4 pi r squared, we are left with dr over dt is equal to dv over dt times 1 over 4 pi r squared. dv over dt is given and the r is also given. So we can proceed. We can calculate the rate of change of the radius with respect to time. That is, we have our 4.5 cubic foot per minute times 1 over 4 pi times our r is 2 feet squared. So we have 4.5 divided by 4 pi times the radius squared. That is equal to 0.0895. And the unit is feet per minute. Therefore, the rate of change of our radius with respect to time is 0.0895 feet per minute or foot per minute when our radius is 2 feet. So what we did here is just we list all the possible the given and then what was being asked, and then we relate everything, the given and what is being asked, by differentiating the given, and then we just isolated what is being asked on the left hand side and solve for that for the given unknown. Since we have the given dv over dt and we have also the r, that's why we have come up that the rate of change of the radius with respect to time is 0.0895 foot per minute.